How to put video in text on CapCut Mobile. So if you want to put video in text on CapCut Mobile, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Now once you open up your CapCut, now you need to simply go with New Project and then select a video that you would like to add to your CapCut. Once you've selected, now what you need to do is simply remove the ending, and you need to tap on text, which is you on the bottom, and then tap on add text, and then you need to go with the styles, and you can go with FX, and then you can choose any style that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing one, and go for font, and you can also change the font and adjust the size. And once you've adjusted everything, you need to go with the right side, which has that tick icon. Tap on the tick and here you will have your text, right? So you just need to simply tap on the text, and you need to go with the animations option, which is here on the bottom. Under animations, you need to simply choose the out animation, and under that you need to scroll down and make sure to select the zoom out animation. So tap on zoom out, and here you've added the animation, right? So you just need to simply go with the tick, which is here on the upper right, and simply add that zoom out. Once you've added, now what you need to do is go with export, which is on the upper right, and export that video. Now once you've exported, go back to done, which is here on the upper right, and again go with a new project and select the video in which you would like to add the text, and the text video which you have just exported. So select the two videos. Now once you've added the two videos, what you need to do is you just need to bring that text video to the bottom. So to bring it to the bottom, what you need to do is simply click on the text or click on the video and then swipe right on the bottom, and you need to simply choose an option of overlay. Here you will have the option of overlay. Tap on overlay and it will bring that video to the bottom. So adjust the video and now you will have this kind of video, right? So what you need to do is, and after that you just need to simply go with the bottom of your screen, and here you will have blend option. You might have an option of blend or splice, so simply tap on that option and you can simply choose the normal blend and tap on the tick. For example, I'll be adding just simple text. So under the blend or the splice option, make sure that you've selected the darken option. So simply select the darken option and then tap on tick, which is here on the bottom right. And then if you play the video, then here you will have the video in text. So it's just not pleasing, right? So what you need to do, so if you want to make it more pleasing, then what you need to do is you just need to simply add some keyframes. So simply select the video and then add keyframe, and then again select the video and add a keyframe. And you can also zoom in and zoom out the text. So you can simply zoom in. So now if you play the video, then you will have this kind of transition. So that's how you can put video in text on CapCut Mobile, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.